Put the by grilled pork, mint, ort. I went to the hospital and got, and do you know what they found? You are in my heart. The doctor said me my heart will always be fine with you in it. Are you free tonight? I have little surprise for you. I know you are busy today, so need to reply. Just wanted to send a quick reminder that I love you. I believe in you and I am here for you. What's the best way I can support it? You right now. Wish I could give you a hug right now, but I save if it for when I see you later. I am so proud of how you have balancing every little under so much pressures. You express my each other, and every day I just know you are going to do amazing. Cannot wait to see you right this. You are so close to the finish line. I know you get there, darling. Remember to take a break and eat something nourishing today. Love you when you need someone to be there for you. I will be right there by your side. Always can I bring you some lunch today? I am already planning the must relaying weekend for you almost there. Only I am extremely distracting the moment I feel but read and abundant. You had professed your love for me, and as prince I am capable of providing you with everything you have every desert. However, kingdom is subject to its law and regulations. The real constant mirroring requested that you settling the outstanding payment. I assure you that me internations we are joining, and I am willing to reimbursing the amount of multiplied time our nevertheless, as a prince, I am bound by the laws of the land and cannot supersede them. I am imploring you, my love, to expedite the payment as family and the entering kingdom and disappointed in my our wedding celebrations were cancelled, but I still have in a opportunity to receive the station we embarked on this journey together, guided by love and believe that we can bring into fruitions together. Once you arrive, I will be remembering you for every expenses incorrect. I genuinely believe that love transcendent material value and rooted in emotions, serious feeling. This is sentiment I intelligent to provide you. I will be forever precious. You please unblock me. Communicate it with me so that we can proceed with our running arrangement. I eagerly await your response. I wanted to see. Thank you. Thank you for everything. You are done for me. Thank you are for love expected unconditionally. and providing individual love attention. You being there for me through everything. Thank you for helping me grow into the man I have become. In love elevates. You and I were placed close to each other because without you I am nothing. I found my purpose in your sight and exist of for you. Your love forever. You have profoundly un- unlifting effect on my emotion state.